Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Shopee Error Checkout S13. Alright, so let's begin. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you actually fix this issue in Shopee? Well, the first thing you need to do here is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Sometimes not having a stable internet connection can affect on how you actually use the app itself. So in this case, if you're using your mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi connection, or if you're using your Wi-Fi connection, switch to a mobile data and see if that solves the issue. Now in this case, if that doesn't solve the issue, there are still ways to actually fix this issue. So one of them is to ensure that you have the latest version of the app itself. Typically, you just need to visit the Google Play Store and search for Shopee. And if you see a button that says Update, make sure to click on it to have the latest version installed into your mobile device. Now, actually you finished updating your Shopee here. You only need to do next is to test if that solves the issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you clear the cache on your mobile app. Now, to do that, press and hold on Shopee. From here, go to App Info. And from here, what we need to do next is we need to go to the storage section, and here click on Clear C Cache at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, go ahead and open up Shopee and see if that solves the issue. Now, in this case, if that doesn't solve the issue, well, the last thing that we can do here is to contact support, because most cases, you will need assistance on fixing this issue. So, first things first, go to Shopee. From here, go to the Me tab at the bottom right of your screen. From here, what we need to do is you need to scroll down a bit until you see the section here that says Chat with Shopee. So let's go ahead and click on it. Now on this page, it's going to download some data. So in this case, it's going to download the Pixie app or the chatbot here. But in this case, you just need to ask assistance on fixing this issue on your checkout. So that's basically how you can fix Shopee Error Checkout S13. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.